Ndewo, ka ime. Taa, anyị ga-amụ maka nri dị iche iche. Nri. Okay? Anyị ga-amụ maka nri. Ya bụ n'Ọgọst anyị nọ n'ime ya, anyị ga-amụ ihe gbasara nri, iri nri. Okay? Na nri dị iche iche. Okay? So, I'm bringing you some videos about food in this month of August. If you recall from my last video, I talked about setting goals being a key thing in learning how to speak Igbo. So we're going to practice what we preach, okay, just to show you exactly what that looks like. So in this month of August, we'll be learning about food. I'm starting from this week, which is the first week. We'll be learning the food names, okay? So I've got about more than 15 food names in this video. I would like you to take it bite-sized, okay? Don't watch it all on the same go. I would advise to sort of learn about 3 food names a day, okay? When you've learned about 3 food names a day, leave the rest of the video, come back to it tomorrow, come back to it the next day, and over 5 to 6 days, you would have learned the names of the foods I have in this video. Okay? And subsequently, in the next week or 2, we will then learn how to use these food names in sentences. Okay? And we'll talk about eating the food and what's cooking and come and eat and all those kind of things. Okay? So by the end of August, you will have learned the basic way to communicate about eating food with your family and with your friends. All right? Okay? So let's go. Can you bido? Achịcha. Achịcha. Bread. Osikapa. Osikapa. Rice. Ji. Yam. Okay? Right? So let's see how far you've retained. Remember, I said try and learn about 3 of them in one day, and then you come back tomorrow for the rest. Okay? Tomorrow you come back, learn another 3. The next day you come back, learn another 3. So let's see what you remember from the first 3 names we have learned. Ule. Ule means quiz. Okay? Ule. 1. Your turn. Gini be ha? Achịcha. Ịgbaligo, jisike. Oh, achịcha. Gịnị bụ nke a? Ji. Ị na-eme ọfụma. Ị na-eme nke ọma. Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Osikapa. Well done. Ịgbalịala. Oh, osikapa. Yay. Yeah. Right. So this is the time you just turn off the video and go do whatever you were doing. Okay? And see you tomorrow. Right? I'm going to call it. Right? This is the second day. Ụbọchị nke abụọ. Okay? Second day of our learning food names. Okay? So 3 food names a day. Don't take it a lot so that you can remember. One. Kaimbido. Let's go. Ofe. Ofe. Ofe soup. Ofe. Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri, vegetables. Okay? Ọka. 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 Corn. Yeah, time for the quiz. Ule. Okay? Ngwan. Remember, you've learned 3 for today. Excellent. Ebanigo. Okay? Ngwa. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Ọka. Ọka. Yes, excellent. Nke akwanụ. Ofe. Ịgbalịala. Ofe. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Gịnị bụ ihe a? Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri. Akwụkwọ nri. Yay! Ịgbanigo o? Ngwa gaa zuo ike. Go do something else. See ya. Ka ọ dị n'asụsụ Igbo. Right? Anyị abịago n'ụbọchị nke atọ. Ụbọchị nke atọ, the 3rd day. Okay? We're learning food names in the first week of August. Yeah? This is our goal. 3 food names a day. Not too much. Mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. Fruits. Fruits. Unere. 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 Banana. Oroma. 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 Orange. Akụ oyibo. Akụ oyibo. Akụ oyibo. Coconut. Okay? Ule. Your turn, Urgo. Yeah. Go on then. Unere. Yeah. Gịnị bụ nke a? Oroma. Ị na-agbalị o? Jisie ike. Nke akwanụ. Nke akwanụ. Mkpụrụ osisi. Ị na-agbalị nke ukwuu. Jisie ike o? Mkpụrụ osisi. Yay! Excellent. Daalụ o? Nke taa agaala. That's it for today. Nke taa agaala. Ọ ga-adị echi. See you tomorrow. Ka ọ dị echi. Yeah. Ngwanụ. We'll learn the rest tomorrow. Go on then. See ya. Ngwa, no. Daalụ. Anyị ga-amụkwa nri ndị ọzọ taa. We will learn some modern food names today, okay? Just 3, not too much, right? Okay? Jisike. Nnu. Nnu. Salt. Ose. 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 Pepper. Mmiri. water. I know it's not a food item, but I mean, they go hand in hand, don't they? Ule quiz. Ngwan, your turn. Urugo. Uru no mume. Gini be ha? Nu. Nke akwan. Mmiri ina-anwa nke ukwuu. Ina-anwa. Ke ha na-akpọ ya? What is it called? Ke ihe a na-akpọ ya? Ose. Ose. Yay! Ngwan o ka ọ dị n'asụsụ Igbo. No, okay? Anya alachitela, we are back to learn some more food names, okay? Okay, ngwan. Agwa. 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 Beans. Akara. 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 Bean balls. Okay, so that's made from beans. Akwa. 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 Egg. Ngwan ogule orula oro no mume. Yes, your turn. Go on then. Give away. Akara. Akara. Gini punka. Akwa. Ina agbali o. Nke akwan. Agwa. Agwa. Yay! Kodiechi. See you tomorrow. Okay? Godi. Ngwana anya abiachila. We are back. We're learning food names. We're trying to learn about 3 a day, not to overwhelm ourselves. Okay? Ngwan. Mmiri ara ehi. Mmiri ara ehi. Milk. Mmanụ. 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 So that's oil. Okay? So any type of oil for cooking, or even just oil for the skin. Mmanụ. Yeah? Okay? In this case, cooking. Mmanụ. Ngwanu. Orola. Oro no mume. Your turn. Gini be ha? Mmiri ara ehi. Mmiri ara ehi. Nke akwan. Mmanụ. Mmanụ. Yay! So this brings us to the end of this video series for the first week of August on food names. Okay, so these are the food names I have for you. I know there are many more. Okay, and if you found anyone that is not here, can you write it in the comments? Dere mi na comments. De nri ndi ozo ima. Okay, de nri ndi ozo ima. Write other food names you know. Okay, all right. Okay, so the ones you've learned, use it when you're speaking. Okay, use it when you're talking about food at the moment, and don't worry if you're mixing it up with English. That's fine. You're learning to speak. That's perfectly All right, okay? So I'll see you in the following weeks where we make sentences with these food names, okay? And we talk about eating and come and eat and have you eaten and things like that. Right? Meanwhile, subscribe if you haven't done so you keep abreast of all the videos we're putting out here to encourage us all to speak Igbo. All right? And share it with your friends or whoever you think that might need it. Okay? Ngwano o, daalụ. Na-asụkwa Igbo. Ka ọ dị.